Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we're heading up to Kilkenny, just finishing off what I did on the last video, well the plans I had on the last video. Heading up to St. Molding's, Holywell, and then I got to head back in around the city to get a couple of more points and get the 10-pointer for ice cream. So we're going to go out to JB's out there. The ice cream's supposed to be great out there, and there's a cool sign out there as well. So let's head up to Kilkenny first. Just about to leave the city there now. Remember years ago with the yellow Reggies, you used to get a deadener in school. Anyone remember that? If you do remember that, let me know in the comments. It's very funny. You used to get a deadener for nothing, like just, hey, yellow Reg, bang. So you get two now. There's one there and there's one up, there's one above as well. Funny. Every time I see it, I think of it. My God, look at this place. This place is in an unbelievable spot. Oh my God, it's amazing. Wow. So this is St. Molding's, Holywell. And friend on Instagram and my friend in real life, April, her mum was up here, Bernadette. And she's been fighting for cancer the last couple of years. She's putting it in a great fight, and she's very inspirational as well. So I seen her, she was up here a couple of weeks ago. So I said I'll come up here and see what it's like. And it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, stunning. Look at the place it's in. Just wow. Unreal. So it's only well should be down here. Yep. That's it. So only well here now. So got to take off my helmet for the picture for the. So that's only well in there, I think. Obviously around here, going along here as well. It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Take a little stroll down here. Oh yeah. Down here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna head back up now. I need to go to Sleeve, get a water pump there. Sorry, just throwing on my bag. Yeah, what a stunning place, absolutely stunning. Yeah, it's beautiful, so peaceful as well, you know. Look at that, how beautiful is that? Stunning, well worth a visit. I'll put the name down anyway. And just put in a Google Maps. It shows on Google Maps, so you find it easy. And as you can see, the roads are lovely coming in as well. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's the third time now. Ooh, nice Huey. Away we go, another beautiful place found on Deise Rebel Adventures. I'd love to know if anyone actually goes visiting the places I visited just because they've seen it on the video. If you have, leave it down in the comments. I'd love to know. Love to know who am I inspiring. I'm inspiring myself first of all. That's the main thing first, and then if I can inspire anybody else after that, then happy days. Apologies if the video died before I stopped in Sleeve for the water pump. I'll show you in the video there now, if you're interested of course, the picture of it. But yeah, now on to Dunmore, grab some ice cream and get the 10-pointer. See the propeller here now, that's from the Port Loriga, right? It's actually a spare from the Port Loriga, would you believe? And sadly, they're taking the Port Loriga apart. They sawed off the actual propeller the other day, and as far as I know, they're going to break it down, and I don't know what they're going to do with it. They're going to scrap it or put it in a museum or whatever, but please God, Waterford, if anyone watching from Waterford Council, please God, try keep as much as you can. It's a beautiful ship. I'm going to actually try to get up there before it's taken apart to see it again, and I'm going to put up the video that I made of it there last year. It's a class video, go check it out. It's an unbelievable ship dredger, you know, so hopefully I get up there before it's taken asunder. And oh, it's sad, man, I'm sad about it. It's a beautiful part of Waterford's history, and it was the last steam dredger, so you know, Waterford Council should have really taken after it. But look, they can't do anything about the past now. If they can resurrect that in the future, then it'd be a great way to make up for it, you know. Now they're taking it apart, so hopefully they someone gets sense and gets to keep more parts of it, you know. It'd be great, like. Okay, so we're at JB's now. I'm going to park over here and going to grab an ice cream. See what all the talk is about. Okay, so let's have a look. See what the old ice cream is like in here. Hello, how are you?
Yep, it's true what they say for JB's, and the ice cream was unreal. Got a 99, it's absolutely lovely. And I'm going to end the video here, and the sun is out, the ice cream is in. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.